a great question. When you build the box, and you write 8m squared and plus 3, how do you know when you need to multiply those two together? What's the answer? When there's a leading coefficient, but really, you're always multiplying them together. So if you don't know when to do it and when not to do it, always multiply. And you'll see in a second how that works. So we multiply 8m squared and 3, and we get 24m squared. Are there factors of 24 that add to be negative 10? Well, it's either 2 and 10 or 4 and 6. Or 2 and 12, I mean, sorry. Will 2 and 12 work? No, why not? It would be positive 2 and negative 12. Does that create negative 10? Yes. Does it create positive 24? No. So it's negative 4 and negative 6. So negative 4m and negative 6m. What does the top row share? 2m. What is 8m squared divided by 2m? 4m. What is negative 6m divided by 2m? What is negative 4m divided by 4m? Negative 1 is negative 1 times negative 3, positive 3. So my factors are 2m minus 1 and 4m minus 3. Okay, so 2m minus 1 and 4m minus 3. Oops. Okay, look at number 3. This is going to answer Aubrey's question. We draw the box for number 3. And I get n squared and negative 18. Should I multiply them together? You don't need to, but watch what happens when you do. N squared times negative 18 is negative 18n squared. And now that's the number I'm factoring. Okay? Right, so this is why we don't multiply, because did it change my 18? No, and I already knew that my factors were going to be something n and something n. But this comes in handy on the next page for one of the problems that's kind of tricky. So are there factors of negative 18 that add to be 3? 6 and negative 3. 6n and negative 3n. And then if you look at the top, what do they share? N, which makes this n. What's going to go here? Negative 3. What's going to go here? 6. So n minus 3 times n plus 6. So number 3 is n minus 3 and n plus 6. Okay, look at number 25. 25. Okay. Can we factor anything out of 25? 4. What's left? Okay. Now, let's build the box. A squared and B squared. Now, this is a little strange. So, let's multiply those together and see what happens. Zach, could you please pay attention and be quiet? Thank you. So, A squared, B squared. Now, what do I know about that diagonal? Whatever they are, they're the same. I don't know what that is yet, but I know that they're the same. But if I look at the quadratic, what do I know about them? They add to be 2ab, so this diagonal must be what diagonal? The AB diagonal. So are there any factors of a squared b squared in the form AB that add to be 2AB? 1AB and 1AB. So that's where the multiply thing comes in handy. You always multiply those together. But if there's no leading coefficient, it doesn't do you any good. So on the top, what do they share? A and A. So this will be B. And this will be B. So it's 4 times A plus B. And I'm lazy. I don't want to write A plus B again. So I just square it. So this is 4A plus B squared. Okay, so this is your assignment today. You should be able to get most of it done in class. We're going to be creating an answer sheet for me. So when you get so far and you want to write your answers on the board, please do, and that will help others. Okay, get to work.